What a fantastic day out here in London. Like 25 degrees, blue skies, absolutely fantastic. And I'm so gassed today because our couch is finally gonna land. We copped the couch probably in like early January when we first ordered it, and they said it was gonna be about 3 months. You know, with couches, it always take a lot of time. And I think this one was coming from Australia. So we copped it from a brand called King Living. Might have heard of it. They have a store in Tottenham Court Road in central London, and then also in Westfield, I believe. Anyway, we've been waiting for so long. So that's what, like 4 months since it's mid-May now. The day has finally come. There's been a lot of delays and a lot of issues with the delivery of this couch. And it's just been horrible just sitting at the table all of the time for the last kind of like 2 months. But now we can just sit back, recline, once the couch arrives, set up our TV and enjoy. So that was an ordeal, and I'm glad that I was able to get that done, because apparently the couch is going to be here in 5 minutes. They just sent me a text that they're around the corner, but I don't really know what tape I used. I think it was like some tape for like cardboard boxes. I used it previously to map, to kind of measure out something else, and then it came off really easily. But then again, we had that on for probably like 2 or 3 weeks, so it was a bit of a struggle getting it off. But I'm not sure what tape you're supposed to use on like floors like this, but maybe someone can let me know for the future so that doesn't happen again. Yes, we have a couch. I'm so gassed. Like, it's definitely worth the wait. Love this, it's actually so comfortable. I think this is probably where we're most likely gonna have the couch. It doesn't actually take up too much room. I know that it is in the middle of the room, but I think that might be best. Like, you have a separation in terms of, you've got the living area, watching TV, then you've got like a dining table, desk where we're working right now. We're thinking about putting the couch over there, but there's a window over there. So if we put the TV over there, then the light might reflect onto the TV. So I think this is probably the best location for the couch at this moment in time. But I'm very happy. It's nice that we get to recline now. Put my feet up on the ottoman. Oh, beautiful. Surprisingly, there's a lot more space in the middle than I thought there would be. So I'm just gonna move the coffee table into the middle. Then hopefully we'll also be able to buy a TV stand, put the TV on there, get a carpet in here and a little rug. That would be super nice. Can also put some shelves on the back. Like, now that the sofa is here, I'm just really excited to like actually properly decorate. And it's also nice not having an echo in this room. Like, no echo. So this would be the general setup. Obviously we've got the table in the middle, then the TV. This is actually quite huge, the ottoman. Is it the ottoman? I think it's an ottoman. The chaise, the little footstool is there. Don't know if the camera is picking this up, but I made the mistake of putting the vase directly onto the table and then it made a stain and yeah, it's just kind of like ruined the table, which is really unfortunate. The room looks really nice. I'm glad that it's not too cramped because I think that was both of our worries, that it might be a little cramped. But so far, so good. So we've got a new mirror as well. Lots of new stuff today. I'm gonna put it in the room on that back wall. I think I'm not gonna unbox it right now because I'm just on my lunch break. Want to eat some food. Also got a new bike, which I need to get the tires pumped. So just gonna go down to the shop and do that. I realized that I haven't shown you guys my new bike, so I also need to do that as well. But not having a mirror for 2 months, yo, that is not the one. We're gonna do a little home update because this speaker obviously can't stay on the floor. So I'm gonna bring in this table and this lamp that we bought from a flea market. I mean, my girlfriend doesn't like both of the items now. I think it was just like the spur of the moment. We just got too happy. We were excited about moving in and just purchased some things that maybe we realized in hindsight that we didn't love or she didn't love. I still like them, but yeah, let me just bring them in. A small update, but I'm pretty happy with the way it's looking. We'll see what my girlfriend thinks when she comes back. I mean, it might just be a temporary one of those things, but I just want to fill the space. There's a lot of empty space on the sides, but obviously we just need to take our time. Space for some plants, maybe some other little storage units. We'll see. We're gonna go out to do some work for the second half of the day at another cafe. So I thought it'd be nice just to unbox it, see what my outfit looks like. It's just nice to actually look at yourself in the mirror rather than kind of guessing what you kind of look like, which is not ideal. It does freestand, but I am gonna put it on the wall, attach it to the wall somehow, just drill it in. Let's unbox this. Wow, I must say that does look very nice. Yeah! So many new things in the flat. Couch, lamps, which I'll show you guys later as well. We picked up a couple lamps for our bedside tables from IKEA. I mean, they are just behind me. This little lamp, so that's a nice little touch. Oh, it's actually not plugged in. Alas. Back to the mirror. This is one that we picked up on Amazon. I don't actually know what it's called. My girlfriend found it. I think it came in around £80, maybe 70. So yeah, that's as much information as I have. So we're thinking to put the mirror more to the right of this nook, although it will displace the basket which has sat in the corner of that nook, but moving it to the left and allowing the basket to fit in there just feels awkward because you kind of just feel like you're just way too close to the wardrobe. Look at the way the mirror has squashed my head.
2 hours later.
That was an ordeal. It's not like straight, but it will do. Looks good though. According to the iPhone, it's straight though. My girlfriend's bought me this lovely pastry. I think it's kind of like a version of a pain au chocolat. What was the place called? Like Sourdough Sally's or something like that. Obviously, I've already had a bite, but so nice. You see, there's a little bit of salt on the top as well. Yeah, bang. I feel like I should have a coffee with this, but I don't drink coffee. And I've already had a tea earlier this morning with a little bit of cake. I've been having a lot of sweet treats this morning. I also bought some bread from the shop this morning, so I think I'm just gonna cut this up. I love a good sourdough bread. Let's get to chopping.